Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the sound test of the Mi Pad 6. It's got 4 speakers, 2 over here and 2 over here, and this tab sounds really awesome. So let me play this clip for you.
Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't feel the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably more than a fuck of the hell. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, let me get on my face. I got a taste, well the whole place. Finna get laced to be stepping out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, I slid for this. Get it down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Get it down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like.
So I was playing this tab at 100% volume and it sounds really amazing. The bass, the clarity, the treble is absolutely awesome. This tab only costs around 26,000 rupees and it's a hell of a lot better than the Samsung tabs. This, I know it's not a SIM version. The SIM version doesn't come in India, but this tab is really awesome. It sounds good, the screen quality is very awesome, and the best feature is it's got Dolby Atmos. So you've got 4 presets. You've got dynamic, video, music and voice. You can turn off the Dolby Atmos from here also, and you can turn it off from here also. So if you're in the market looking for a nice tab that you can use it, yes, this is Wi-Fi only, but you can use the net from your mobile or from your house Wi-Fi. But the sound quality of this tab is really awesome.
We all dream crushing, we ain't rushing. My squad, we all dream crushing, we ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this, yeah, slave for this. Get it down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like.
There is no distortion of any kind. It sounds really amazing. So guys, if you're in the market, do check out the Mi Pad 6. It's a thumbs up from Tech Dude Varun. So I will see you next time in another video. You take care of yourself. God bless and be safe.